Good morning, guys. I'm Des from the Adventure, and now we are here at those waterfalls. The first stop of our tour about caves and waterfalls. Come on with me with this tour. We are here in the first cave of the tour. It's called Belmiro Tour. Take a look. The entrance over there, and all this cave. You can imagine the temperature here is very fresh. Outside 35 degrees, here I think around 25, just in the Tijuca forest. More one cave here in the park. We are at the Archer Cave, and this cave has a special thing that I'm going to show you. You are going to come with me on the way. So let's go here on this way. To have to do a little climb, opposite climb. Let's clean the way. So come on, sit here, put one foot here. The other hand we're going to put here and start to come down. Here we have to sit on the floor and pass into this hole here. And down here. Okay. Have a rock down here, so you're going to sit on the floor. Come sit until the edge here, and just put your feet here. Actually, it's very easy. So it's okay there? Yeah. Perfect.
It's very easy because we are here.
Yeah, yeah. No, but the first time that I come here was like that. I didn't saw the rocks down, and I was, man, I'm gonna fall. But people say that is easy. So let's trust. Come. Oh, another rock. So here we are. We cross successfully until now the way, and we got on the other side of the cave. We were at this top here right now, and we do this way. Woo. Here we are at the Bat Cave. It's the most famous cave of the jungle here, of the forest. You can see this magnificent cave. I don't know if the light's going to be good for you, but it's amazing here, and the temperature here is amazing too. When we were at the door of the cave, they say that we are getting to a store. It was hot outside and very cold here inside. So guys, here we are at Diamantina Waterfall. You can see there the water comes from the rock and go down inside the cave. Amazing, man. Just a short track here to get here, very easy. This is one more spot on our fantastic tour of caves and waterfalls. And our last stop here, Cascata Gabela, just a little waterfall that you have a lake here. If you look on that side over there, we have some steps to go down. So it's a pool. It's a natural pool here in the middle of the forest. You can do your picnic here, standing here all day long with your family and refresh every time that you need in this perfect natural pool. So that's our last waterfall, and we are going to continue walking on this way to go back to the car, and this is our tour. waterfalls and caves here in the Tijuca National Park. Thank you for watching, subscribe, give a positive thing over there. Bye bye.